So we're back at Sofia station, waiting for the 10 o'clock train to depart. We're on our way to Veliko Tarnovo, and I'm standing by the door as we don't want an incident where I get left behind. So I'm going to get back on the train now. Capture some shunting. Six minutes past 10. Never got.
Как ты справишься без результата?
Beverly enjoying her train trip. Actually, the truth be told, we're hungover. The truth be told, we're hungover. Next stop, Mazdra. Together with microwaves. Arriving at the next station, Roman.
No, es antes faltaba una hora hace 30 minutos. That's how I pronounce it. Totally wrong. There's so many trains which are on the wagons and coaches and engines and locomotives that are in the sidings and got all weeds growing out. It's amazing. All the yellow sunflowers. Amazing. Amazing. So we're now at Plevin, and there's a DMU here. So we've arrived at Gorna Obovici, something like that, and now we have to find our train to Veliko Tarnovo.
Veliko Tarnovo. They're up here, look, 14:20. So this is the train that we've just caught from Sofia, and it's departing for Varna. Won't get there till 6 o'clock, and it's now 2 o'clock. He's getting worried I'm going to miss the train, despite the fact that there's 15 minutes to go before it's due to leave. Hasn't even got an engine at the moment. So here comes the locomotive, coming from the sidings. More.
It's
A Czech train.
Yeah, it's 100% better than
Siemens.
Siemens. Better than.
It's better than Siemens. They're just doing the paperwork. Right, so that was an eventful stop at Gorna Vici. So I was down the front of the train waiting for the engine to come along, and the shunter was there, wanted to know whether I worked for British Rail, translating through a German. No, I don't work for British Rail. And he said he could arrange for me to have a ride in the cab to Veliko Tarnovo. Unfortunately, I could see my wife hanging out the window, getting very, very agitated because I wasn't on the train, despite that we didn't have an engine. But, so missed my opportunity, but there we go, that's life. Maybe it will come again. So we arrived at Veliko Tarnovo. Just saw the shunter again. He's given me his email address, and he says next time you're in here, drop him a message and he'll arrange a cab drive for me. Excellent. There it goes. Woohoo! Look at that!
Oh, I only missed the end. I mean, I saw the end.
Hi, it's the 3rd of July. I've come back down to Veliko Tarnovo railway station to purchase our tickets for tomorrow, which I've just done. They've cost me 13 lev each, which is about £7, no less than £7. No first class. Have to go second class, change it to Barbo. We catch a train at 8:31 here, and we get to Burgas on the Black Sea at 1:15. They proposed to. Anyway, going up to the hotel yesterday, because there didn't appear to be any taxis or buses or anything here, and somebody gave us some instructions to cross the railway line here and walk up there, and it was so hot. I'd never been so hot. I was swarming in sweat. Even my wife looked like a bloody beetroot before she was going to have a heart attack. I've just come down. Okay, it's in the morning now, so obviously it's a lot cooler, but I've just come a different way. You go out this way, out of the station. You go out that way,
go around there, there's a bus stop and there's buses. I've seen 2 buses already this morning. And then you just walk up the hill, through the shade, you're in with trees, it's nice and shady, you walk up to top, cross the bridge, go past the great communist hotel, and then you're there. It would have been so much easier. Should have gone by my own intuition and the plan I had arranged. So, can you just repeat that?
I said, I'll tell you what, I'm never going to take a handbag, especially one like that on holiday with me.
So,
Again,
especially
I might take a little tiny flat one that goes in my suitcase. I don't need a handbag and a rucksack. Every year we have modifications.